Okay, a brief video to help you set up your AVD emulator for the tablet, which we'll use the remaining of the semester. We're not going to use Honeycomb, we're going to use Jelly Bean. So we need to set up an AVD, and you'll need to do this at home. However, there are many, let's just say, gotchas when we're working in the Jelly Bean API 16 4.1.2 in this instance. So I will take you through, show you some of the errors that you may see, and then show you exactly how to get it to work. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to call this tablet, and our target is going to be Android 4.1.2 API level 16. We've been working in this. I'm going to go ahead and make my SD card 1 gig. I don't really need a lot, but I could put more there. Now, for default, we want WXGA800. That's default tablet size. And device RAM size we see is 1024. Okay, that's fine. These are all our defaults that we might set. So I'm going to go ahead and create my AVD. And here it is right now. Now, if everything goes as planned, we hit start. I'm just going to wipe user data. I usually do that. And we get this failed to allocate memory error. Failed to allocate memory 8. It's a bug in 4.1.2 that is happening in Eclipse as well as the API. So we need to fix it. Okay, and there's all kinds of different answers online. So I'm going to close this out, and we don't need to delete this to fix it. I'm going to go into edit. Keep this at 1 gig. That's fine. But here's the main two main fixes. First off, instead of using the built-in, let's set a resolution. And WXGA800's resolution is actually 1280 by 800. So let's go ahead and hand code that. Another gotcha is we shouldn't have to do this, but we need to tell it that it's 1024 MB. Okay, megabytes. So we need to make those two changes in the resolution, put a custom resolution, and set the device RAM size. We don't need to change anything else. I'm going to hit Edit AVD. We don't see much of a change here, but now when I hit Start, I'm going to wipe user data. Aha! Now, the tablet is still going to be slow, but we do have it starting up. In a moment, we should see the Android. There we go. And it would take too long for me to sit here and watch it boot up. But the point is, we need to change those two items when we create our AVD in order for this to work. One, set our own custom resolution size of 1280 by 800, and also go into the device's RAM and actually put MB after 1024. And so please make a note of that for yourself. You'll save yourself many hours of frustration trying to start up your emulator. The tablet is slower in emulation. If you have very little RAM on your own machine, you may need to actually downsize the virtual device memory to perhaps 512 MB if the 1024 does not work. Thank you, and we'll talk about this more.